In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PDF to GoDaddy Website Builder. Let's get started by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type GoDaddy, then open the official GoDaddy website. Once you're there, sign into your account using your usual login details. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken straight to your dashboard. At the top right of the page, click your profile name or initials to open the account menu. From that menu, choose My Products. This takes you to a list of everything in your account. Find your website in the list and click it to open the Website Builder editor for that site. If you manage multiple sites, pick the one where you want the PDF to appear. Inside the editor, move your mouse over the page until you see a plus sign appear between sections. Hover over that plus sign and click Add Section. This opens the section library, which lets you add different types of content to your page. In the search bar at the top of the library, type PDF to quickly filter the relevant options. From the results, click PDF Viewer. You'll see layout choices for how the viewer will appear. Select the option labeled Display your PDF content on your website. This adds a PDF section to your page and opens its settings panel so you can connect your file. Now click Upload File. In the file picker that appears, click Upload to browse your computer. Select the PDF you want to add from your files. Choose a PDF with a clear, descriptive file name and a reasonable size so it loads quickly for your visitors. After selecting it, click Insert. The file will upload, and the PDF viewer will populate with your document right on the page. Give the editor a moment to process the file. You should now see a live preview of your PDF within the section, complete with built-in scrolling and zoom controls, depending on your theme. This makes it easy for visitors to read your content without leaving the page. If your PDF doesn't appear right away, wait a few seconds or try a slightly smaller file. Also, make sure the document is finalized before uploading so you don't have to re-upload later. That's it. Your PDF is now embedded on your GoDaddy site using the PDF Viewer section. Remember to keep your source file handy for future updates and use clear titles and descriptions in your page content so visitors understand what they're viewing. Thanks for watching, and great job getting your PDF online.